Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the environment ready, so install Termux or Pidroid 3 and grant storage and execute permissions right away. Once done, open Termux and run pkg install Python or follow Pidroid's in-app installer. This gives you Python 3 on device. Make sure to update packages first, because older tools break scripts. Use pkg update and pkg upgrade. Also create a working folder in shared storage, so you can edit files with a text editor, and confirm Python runs with Python version. You now install the tools and libraries your code needs, so use pip install for modules like requests or numpy. Termux pip integrates best with system Python. Once packages are added, create a virtual environment with Python mvenvenv, activate it, and install dependencies there to avoid conflicts. Also set script shebangs to hash /usr/bin/env Python 3 so tapping a file runs the right interpreter. If you need code from repositories, install git and clone. Then run tests to verify everything imports correctly. You finish by running and stabilizing your project. Execute Python script. Py or use Pidroid's run button and test typical inputs immediately. If errors appear, use print debugging, the logging module, or run Python mpdb to step through code. This shows why it fails. Once stable, commit to Git or upload backups to cloud storage, and make sure battery and background permissions are set so long-running scripts don't get killed. If something goes wrong, clear caches, reinstall the package, and rerun installs to fix broken dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.